चिकन pork fish ये क्या है?
मुझे ऑपरेशन किया गया है इसके लिए।
পুরনো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে আয়ু সেই চোখে দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায় आई लव पीस मुझे शांति से रहने दो
ये थ्रेटनिंग था। मुझे शांति से रहने दो, मैं तुम्हें कच्चा खा जाऊंगी।
समटाइम्स आई फील दैट वे
आमिष रिलीज हो गया, हॉल में पेशेंट ने देख लिया।
आमिश रिलीज होने के बाद when my students saw Amish they would peep in ma'am I can we come in and I'm like आज क्या हो गया तुम लोगों को ma'am we saw Amish
Suddenly when it turns, it's a cannibal movie.
that's a genre
Amish is probably first of its own kind.
yes definitely I mean that's why Anurag Kashyap had tweeted that nothing like this has ever come out of India. Suddenly one day he said that I have a script and I think that the character would be something like you. I feel like your kind of nature.
Something like you.
And then I read it. Oh my God! After I read it, it really hit me hard.
ऐसा सोचता है मेरे बारे में। नमस्ते, पॉप में आपका स्वागत है। पर आज मैं थोड़ा डरा हुआ हूँ, सहमा हुआ हूँ। आई एम लिटिल बिट स्केयर्ड एंड ऑस्ट्रक ऑल्सो बिकॉज वी हैव टुडे लीमा दास। आमिष तो देखा ही होगा, तो आप समझ रहे हैं कि मैं क्यों डर रहा हूँ। बट डरने का बात नहीं है। आई वॉन्ट टू से इफ यू आर नॉट प्लेइंग दैट रोल वी हैव टू कास्ट मोनिका बेलुच्ची
Okay, wow, that is huge. That's a huge.
and I mean it. I really mean it.
Thank you so much.
I didn't speak to you before this because I don't want it. You know Manisha Koirala?
Of course.
मनीषा कोइराला इज समथिंग एल्स फॉर मी फ्रॉम चाइल्ड। वो एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा। मुंबई में मैं काम कर रहा था एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस में। सडनली शी एंटर्ड देयर, तो वन ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड्स, फीमेल फ्रेंड्स, शी नोज अबाउट इट। तो उन्होंने मनीषा जी को बोला और मुझे बोला कि अभी जा मिल ले। ओके रियली? हाँ हुआ है, अभी जा मिल ले। कट टू शी वाज वेटिंग फॉर मी, द होल ऑफिस वाज वेटिंग फॉर मी। आई जस्ट शट ऑफ माय फोन एंड आई वाज हवा straight. I am gone to Juhu Beach. I was there for 2 hours. Then I called them. चली गई क्या? तो पागल है क्या? Like these things happen. मुझे देखना नहीं है उनको।
अच्छा।
मुझे देखना नहीं है उनको, मिलना भी नहीं है। I don't want to break my dream. I don't want to. But in your case, because you don't belong to my childhood, and I'm.
You can handle it.
I can handle it now. So. Am I talking to a doctor who acts, or I am talking to an actor who does medical practice?
So basically, if you would have asked me this question before Amish, I would have told you, or during Amish, I would have told you that you're talking to a doctor who is also an actor. But now, after post Amish, you're talking to an actor.
Okay.
Yes.
So practice कम हो गया?
Practice almost बंद हो गया अभी because I used to work in a government hospital for 15 years. I've worked in a government hospital. I have taught dentistry, and I have taken self-retirement abhi because I feel that I have done my bit as a dentist, as a dental
मेरे
surgeon.
दांतों का क्या हुआ?
There are many. There are many. And I have done with teaching. I used to really love teaching, interacting with my students. And that has taught me a lot, as a person. It has made me as a person, the person who I am today. But I just feel that now I have an opportunity. Amish has given me an opportunity to live a life which is completely different. वो बहुत अलग तरह की एक life थी. Very protocol based and very routine based life. It's like a 9 to 3.
I really want to know.
I am also a mother. I used to wake up in the morning, like my kid was young. He used to go to school and उसका टिफिन बनाना ये वो, and you like the typical जैसे होती है like daily grind जिसको बोलते हैं. And then I used to go to hospital. It's a 9 to 3 job. And because I'm also a dancer, by 3 o'clock I used to be in my dance school. I used to go to my dance practices. And evening I used to be back home. I used to help my son with his homework. It was a very routine kind of life, a regular kind of life, where dance was a vent, a big vent to something which I did for myself. That was till the time from 2007 till 2019 when Amis happened to me. I'm saying happened to me because it was a life-changing experience for me. It was the first film which I did, and I've learned so much, and I have to learn to think differently. क्योंकि इतना एक वो protocol, इतना it was such a routine life that this is बस यही है, this is what is to be done. It was like that. But laterally, if you think that for us science students, it's like 2 + 2 is 4. No questions asked. आपको सर्जरी इंसेशन यहाँ से डालना है तो यहाँ से ही डालना है. तो उसमें you will not question why unless you have been with that theory for a long time and you want to give a new theory about why the incision should be this way and that way. But it's like protocol based. Life was like that. This is to be done, this is to be done. There is no shades of grey in between. It's either black or white. Patient zinda hai, mar gaya. You can't say that maybe he's alive. There's nothing like that in science. But यहाँ पे 2 + 2 is never 4. It can be anything. That is the
यहाँ
beauty
पे मर
of
के भी
it.
जिंदा रहते हैं.
हाँ, absolutely.
This is the beauty of
Yes,
art.
yes. So
and
this is the beauty
cinema.
of art, and I'm very glad and happy that I have had the chance to see both, two different kinds of lives, and to be able to even live that. I think I just saw that I should, take this chance and just do it. It was a calling. I mean, it came late in life, but then it definitely was a very, very strong calling.
जैसे मर के भी जिंदा रहते हैं आपके जिंदगी में, टेल मी वन नेम इन द सेगमेंट ऑफ आर्ट एनी फॉर्म जो नहीं है अभी, गुजर गए, पर आप में जिंदा है मर के भी.
When I was young, I started my classical dance journey with Odissi.
I know.
I had an opportunity to work, to learn from the great maestro Guru Gangadhar Pradhan. He's no more, and it came as a shock. And the few lessons which he had taught me, I think those were very, very, important to shape me as an actor. Dance to hai hi, but even as an actor, forget about the craft, his dedication towards the art form. He became the dance. When the dancer becomes the dance, that is art. Because I was very young, it happened to me at the right time. I didn't really understand it much, but now when I look back, that impression is still there. That how much you can give yourself to any art form, and that when he's dancing, he's just a dancer. Nothing else. Nothing comes in the way. So art for me, it should be like that. Nothing should come in the way. If you're going to make a film, make it with pure honesty. Nothing should come in the way. So if you can do everything in life with this kind of conviction, that man has taught me that. And I think it's still a beautiful feeling.
What was your conviction when you agreed to do the role in Amish?
Being a part of a film, it was like a very distant dream. मुझे एक film करनी थी. I wanted to do one film. And I said वो तो होगा नहीं, because we come from a purely academic family. My mother was a professor of chemistry. My father was a doctor. All my siblings are doctors. One is a professor in IIT Guwahati. So nowhere near to films. But my mom is a singer. So art था, there was something art.
But वो art उस लेवल तक होता है जो एकेडमिक फैमिली में होता है, जैसे मेरे फैमिली में भी था कि थिएटर करो, डांस इज गुड, एवरी ईयर एनुअल प्रोग्राम या समथिंग, एक बाहर का एक शो आएगा, वो गुरुजी आएंगे, दिस इज कूल.
Exactly.
Film no, and do making his career never.
And do everything as long as your studies are in the right track. It was like that. But I always had this vision when I used to see these films, art house films, Hindi films. When you see Smita Patil and Shabana Azmi acting, you feel that, I wish I could do one film like that, with a red bindi. And it was like a vision. I saw myself, वो art films के जो color grading होता है, that kind of a film. But then it was like, I said, kahan hoga? Because I don't know anybody, right? But then I was busy with my academics, I'm busy with dentistry, I'm busy with, there's so many other things going on in life, right? But then Once I saw the trailer of this Assamese film called Kothanodi, which was Bhaskar Hazarika's first film. And something just clicked when I saw the trailer that this is the director I want to work with. And I had access to him because he was a family friend. I said, I have to meet this person. I don't know for what, but I have, because I'm a dancer, I'm a Hotriya dancer, that is a classical form from Assam. I wanted to do something for Hotriya. I wanted to make a documentary on Hotriya because it's a living tradition, based on the, Vaishnav philosophy. So I said, I have to meet this person. I have to tell him that let's make something on our own culture, on dance. And then I met him and I said that I really love your trailer, and I watched the film, and we were in touch at that point of time. I said, I really want, at some point of time, and what is going to be the budget like, it's mostly that kind. And then suddenly one day he said that I have a script and I feel that the character would be something, of your age, and it's something like you. I feel that your kind of nature.
Something like you.
I mean, so time I didn't know. I mean, something like you, matlab, the nature of Nirmali and
the unpredictability.
The unpredictability, or pata nahi what he meant by that. Then he said that it's a little dark. I don't know if you're, because I was a traditional kind of a classical dancer kind of thing. So I said, okay, I'm sure I can read it, and then I read it. Oh my God, after I read it, it really hit me hard.
ऐसा सोचता है मेरे बारे में? कैसा बंदा है?
Yes, but when you read a script like that, the script itself is so powerful. It was just amazing. I said, I can read it many more times. Even without making the film, you can just write something like this and it's going to, sell, because it's so beautifully written. And that script really, I just thought that if this is probably that film which I was waiting for. I mean, it was like magic. So then I thought, I don't think he's going to take me for that part, because there's so many established actors. Then I got to know that they're looking for a fresh face. I said, okay, theek hai, I still stand a chance. Then I still didn't believe. I still didn't believe that I will, because it was such a, it was a dream, right? And then dreams, come to being real, then you kind of have doubts in your head. Then ye ho raha hai, nahi ho raha hai, and then is it really going to happen? Then the workshop dates were nearing, and I said, okay, this is really happening. This is really happening. And Seema Bishwas, she had come for the workshop. From the first day of workshop, then it hit me that, okay, this is really happening. And then from there on, the journey has been fantastic, and every day has been such a learning experience. Like I told you, that the shift, the mindset ka jo shift hai, from thinking in a particular pattern to thinking it's in a way which you usually wouldn't think, right? So much of creativity which happened, on set and even otherwise, and so much of learning happened. That was a life-changing experience.
One of my friends in Mumbai, after watching Amish, they're calling it किस genre में इसको बोल सकते हैं? It's a romance, it's a so suddenly मेरे एक friend ने पूछा, it's a cannibal romance.
Wow, that's a genre.
भाई ये कब से बन गया? बोली ये अब से बन गया. Then I really realized Amish is probably first of its own kind of a film which don't have any single dim.
Mm-hmm.
Your character and the whole premise, they don't have any single dim, and it's that's unique.
Yes, definitely. That's why Anurag Kashyap had tweeted that nothing like this has ever come out of India. And this is because my life was very different. I was doing OPDs, right? I was, I was doing root canals. I was teaching root canals. And suddenly, because of that one film, your life suddenly changes. And you feel the love of the people and how much they, appreciate your work. And I keep telling myself, because don't keep flying too high, because they're talking about Nirmali and they're not talking about Lima. Because that's just to keep me grounded. But then it just feels amazing. I just feel so blessed that, people come up to me and say, ma'am, we really love you. We want to see more of your work. And I tell him that thank you so much, because this is again an experience which not everybody has, right? So I'm really, really thankful, and I take this opportunity to thank all my fans and all the people who write to me on Instagram and FB, because I might not be able to reply to every one of them, but thank you so much for all the love, and please keep the love coming.
Ami Smith, the boy who loved you, he offered you his own flesh, and now then you became cannibal. This is the wholesome short narrative, right? Do you know several people after watching that film think you are the villain? And I just told them one different perception. पकड़ लो कि लड़की ने तो नहीं मांगा था, उसने दिया
Yes,
था,
yes.
and उसने दिया था because he literally want to be inside her
Yes.
in every possible manner. If not that way, then this way. That's a gesture of love. I'm not promoting it. I'm just telling it. That's the idea in the head of that character, right? अभी पकड़ लो इसको ह्यूमन फ्लेश हटा के इसको अगर कोकेन कर दो तो लड़की विलेन लगेगी.
Exactly. Meat is just a metaphor. It could have been alcohol, it could have been drugs, it could have been anything, right? Any kind of addiction. And yes, you are right in saying that it was not she who asked for it. But in life also, we don't ask for many things. We just land up in certain situations. We land up in situations where we don't want to be. But what do you do then? What happens to you then? And that downfall comes very fast. Very, very fast, and you're not ready for it. Nirmali was not ready for that situation, but she didn't want, because there's a scene where she wanted to, wash that feeling off, the taste off her mouth. एक scene था ना वो, she used to use that mouthwash. She didn't want that feeling to stick. She wanted to get rid of it because she knew that it was wrong. But there are many things in life we feel that are wrong, but they still stick to you, right? We can't get rid of them. We don't know why. Some calculation somewhere, right? So basically the whole story was, we land up in situations where we don't want to be, in dark corners where we don't want to be, but that is how life is, right? And at the end, there are many people, I remember when I was watching this film with the crowd, people clapped in the last scene.
When they hold the hand.
Yes. And many people cried in the last scene. Why? Because they felt empathy for the characters.
That's the most beautiful part.
Yes. So because when people say it's about cannibalism, I kind of want to frown at them, because I want to say that you're not getting the film. It's very much on the surface when people say that, okay, miss, it's on cannibalism, na? Then I say, but what is the next? What are the other layers to it? Go deep into it and see that so much the film is saying about relationships, about love, about feelings, and about
sensation and addiction also.
Yes, addiction, and about life itself. That is why Amis has gained so much of popularity, because what hatke sa film hai, it's very different, and it might offend you. When I read the script for the first time, I was thinking that I have no clue how the audience is going to react to this, right?
Of course.
And you never know. They might never release it. They might never release it. There might be so many repercussions, right? But then it was made by a team that was so convinced that the dedication the team had, that we want to make a good film. Bas, that's it. Nobody was even thinking about profit. Nobody was thinking that what is going to happen. No. We are going to put in our best, and something the script said that, nahi, mujhe karna hai ye film. And everybody had that.
कितने दिन शूट हुए थे?
33 days.
For the span of?
It was in 1 month.
In this process time, क्या होता था दिमाग के अंदर?
उस टाइम में मुझे इतना पता नहीं हो. I was taking one scene at a time. And because it was my first film, you completely surrender to what is going on around you. When the director tells me that this is the scene, and you have to evoke this feeling, how are you going to do it? So that was the kind of brainstorming, you know, how the director gets that character out of you and gives you that kind of a space. So that was very new to me. I was not used to thinking on set. I've never been on set before. But when you totally surrender to something, that all that I have learned all these years from my teachers, from my dance, from Naitya Shastra, from anything, from life, from observation, I'm going to give it my all. वो डर रहता है. Okay, this is such a good film. People are working so hard around you. I have to do my bit. You know, and because of that fear that you do give your bit and you do give your best, right? If you try and do more, it is not going to help. You have to have that kind of humility. Then I will only do what I can with utmost honesty, with utmost sincerity. बस उतना ही. ये public है, वो सब जानती हैं. You know that song? They tap into that honesty of the team, the filmmaker, the actor. Is it an honest film? Are all the departments working together? वो cohesive है कि नहीं? I think that is what the public gets. They get it. So you can't fool them.
Do you think if Amish was not an Assamese film, can be a Malayalam film, it can be a Tamil film, anything else, will it create more buzz in the periphery of Indian cinema?
Now, if I think, then the context would have been different because Amish is about meat eating, right? The culture of meat eating is predominantly in the Northeast because there are a variety of meat. You know, if you look at Arunachal, Nagaland, you know, it's predominantly a very northeastern Mangho. I mean, in here and even in Bengal, I don't think there is any meal you would eat without fish. I mean, fish to at least fish to hona
Fish is veg.
I know, fish is veg. So meat eating, even other kinds of, because the characters try different kinds of meat. So that is a very northeastern kind of a thing.
Yesterday I was in Brahmaputra Festival, Carnival, they're going on. So I saw that I just missed the name. There are worms and several other kind of.
Yes, these are
meats.
normal for the rest of, not so much in Assam maybe, but then for the rest of the Northeast, these are daily food. I mean, because Amish was about meat eating, because Amish meat translates to meat.
First time in my life, we have done like quiz clubs, cricket clubs, and different other clubs. But there is a Manko club.
Meat club.
Meat club. Then we just thought that in our childhood, we do picnics like कोई घर से आलू लाता है, कोई अंडा लाता है, कोई कुछ लाता है, एक साथ होता है. मैंने बोला ऐसा तो मांको को लेके भी हो सकता है.
If you tell me if Amish was a Hindi film, but then the context would have been different, and definitely because, you know, the population, the language. आजकल तो language is not a barrier because I feel that subtitles है. But then maybe it would have got a bigger platform. Now Sony Live, it's there in Sony Live, Amish. It's one kind of a film and I'm happy it's an Assamese film.
Because it's an Assamese film, that's why you are.
Absolutely.
That's
Otherwise
why.
I wouldn't have it there.
होनी चाहिए.
होनी चाहिए.
यही चाहिए. Assamese cinema को लेके आपका क्या point of view है? अभी जो cinemas हो रहे हैं like that.
There are a lot of young directors who have come up, who have passed out from different parts of the country. आजकल तो phone से हो जाता है. iPhone से you can shoot a film. So I have a lot of faith that the new generation of filmmakers are going to come up with, you know, amazing stories, and especially जो लोग गांव से आते हैं, you know, their stories are so unique. So last year I was in Mami and I was very happy to see so many films from the Northeast. Flavor ही अलग होता है. You know, when you have a scene showing, you know, the mountains of, you know, Nagaland, you know, the rivers of Arunachal, the whole feel is different. The look is different. The stories are different. So I have a lot of faith and I am really hopeful that the new generation filmmakers will come up with really amazing stories.
Village Rockstar देखा है आपने?
Not the second one. I missed the second one. It was here in a festival, but I missed it. Yeah, first one I did.
कैसा लगा था? What is your experience?
It was very different. I mean, Reema has, because I've worked with her also in one of her films. I've worked with Reema, but it's not released as yet.
Can you tell the name of the film?
It's part of an anthology. It's called Coconut Dreams, but they are looking for a platform. It's a long short kind of a film. I've known her, I mean, as a director. and I know her how she thinks, and everything is very fluid about her kind of filmmaking. So now that I I think about Village Rockstars, I know why the film is the way it is, because her process is. I am such a script person. I mean, script. I love working on the script before I get on set, and I need the script at least 2-3 months before, and so that I can really internalize it. But for Reema, when she told me that this is a character which I would love you to play, which I would like you to play, and I really don't work with a script that way. I have something in my head, and there's a framework. I will give you a script at a certain point of time, but don't think that I'm going to absolutely follow it. And I was like, okay, but because I also wanted to learn from her. You learn from people, you learn from talking to people, and I just thought that was such an interesting way of making films. Everything is very, very, most of her things are very on the spot, and she keeps thinking on set. Probably she's thinking about the edit. She gives, especially with the dialogues, she just gives the context and the premises, and she'll say, this is what you're feeling right now. What are you going to say? So that was a very interesting way of looking and working with her.
Will you do a Bangla film?
Of course I would. Would you direct one?
Congratulations.
Thank you. I sing in Bangla sometimes. And
this is the time that the sometime
পুরনো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে আয়ো সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায় আরে এটি বারাই রে সখা প্রাণের মাঝে আই আমি আর
সুখের দুঃখে
beautiful song by
হ্যাঁ
it's just amazing. It's like those songs that still resonate with you after so many years. Just soak it in, basically.
After this kind of a thought-provoking intellectual discussion, I will now do a very cute stupid thing.
Okay.
There is
I'm
manko.
not good with cute stupid.
There is manko for you. There are 4 or 5 kind of a manko, and you have to try it and you have to name it. Here we are with the Manko Festival. With the cannibal charismatic actress. So, लीमा जी, अभी आप बताओ 5 है, फ्रेम में आ रहे हैं, ऑडियंस को दिखा देता हूँ, इस कैमरे में देख लो.
This I don't even need to eat. This is chicken, for sure.
ये देख लो, ये प्लेट है, वो वाले प्लेट में भी 3 है.
This is also pork. This is
Sure.
fat दिखाई दे रहा है.
ओ,
Pork fat.
हमारे जिसने ये कुकिंग किया है, उस भाई साहब ने ये सिग्नल्स छोड़ दिए हैं.
This is mutton, for sure.
This is mutton for sure.
Yes.
This is
not mutton.
This is not mutton या mutton. 1 करोड़ के लिए आपका पहला सवाल. This is mutton.
Easier ones first. This is fish.
This is fish.
Spoon here.
हाँ, you can mix it up. This is तो चीख के बोल रहा है fish.
Chicken बोल रहे हैं.
मैंने चाइनीज बोला था इसलिए कि पीसेस में आए तो कंफ्यूज हो जाए. ठीक है, फिश हो गया.
So chicken, pork, fish.
हाँ.
But these two are supposed to be different, right?
Yes, यही तो कहानी में ट्विस्ट है. बाकी का तो लव स्टोरी है पूरा.
ये क्या है?
You can try and then say.
इसमें तो हिंट देनी पड़ेगी.
मुझे ऑपरेशन किया गया है इसके लिए.
Okay. Oh no. I feel more like a surgeon now. Seeing the different parts.
राइट ना, फ्लेश के या मीट के पार्ट्स देख के यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई.
Yes, yes.
ओ डॉक्टर भी है ना, मुश्किल है इसलिए. राइट. फिर भी
This is mutton.
व्हिच वन इज मटन?
This is mutton.
दिस इज मटन.
हाँ. This I'm not sure, but it could be.
यू कैन ट्राई ना, एटलीस्ट खाने के लायक ही है, मतलब अच्छी जगह से लाए हैं. Ting 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 ting.
No. This also looks like mutton. This is duck. Or this is duck. This is mutton.
This is duck, this is mutton. Yes, 3-2. Thank you, cook boy साहब. Thank you, the chef. But अच्छा है ना?
So how much did I get? I got 3 out of 5, right?
हाँ ये तो
Multiple
3.
choice questions में थोड़ा
हाँ पर इसमें तो ये फैट के ऊपर से हमको हरा दिया. चिकन का लेग का ये हरा दिया. ये फिश का ये हरा दिया. And this is all for you.
all for me.
मैं बोल सकूंगा कि मैंने आपको मीट दिया है.
Oh yeah.
This is
Which
the
kind
my.
is not important.
हाँ,
Then आपने मुझे meet
At least हाँ, मुझसे उतना नहीं होगा.
उतना नहीं
उतना प्यार नहीं है.
Don't worry about that. वो हो चुका है.
हाँ, वो हो चुका है.
Thank you so much. I mean, this is quite a surprise. I never expected so much detailing with this interview. Start.
हाँ,
It's a very easy one.
Charles Xavier mode on.
So.
It's a Hindi. दिल. DDLJ.
Yes.
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. वाह, very nice, very nice.
You guess well and I act well.
हाँ, of course, done. Someday maybe I will direct well and you will act well and we will then set में ये चलेगा तब. Confidence के साथ दमशराज का storm भी चलेगा. Your childhood में 90s का एक predominant era था. उस टाइम बैंड म्यूजिक भी थे. कैसा था बचपन आपका?
In my house, the music scene was उसमें बहुत variety था because my mother is a singer. She sings predominantly in Assamese language. She was a radio artist, and we used to have rehearsals at home like most of the time. And she used to, she used to work in in Cotton College. That's a government college. And I still remember she used to go college se bahar, she used to go to the radio station, do the recording, come back home, and music was always there in this house. My sisters were into rock. I know you have that rock phase in your life and you like Bryan Adams and Rod Stewart and Dire Straits and Pink Floyd and so much is going on, right?
I just watched Bryan Adams live concert in
You
Kolkata.
did? Oh God, I missed it. And the world is now divided between people who have watched it and
Missed it.
and I'm almost, made to feel guilty every time Bryan Adams thing
Now
comes
we are
up.
from two different
worlds. But then it was really so wonderful growing up with music around you, all different kinds of different sorts of music, and it still is a part of my life now, more now because I am also into singing now. So I have this vision of reviving old Assamese songs.
What was the reaction of your son and husband after watching the film?
My son hasn't watched it as yet, but we plan a day soon because he's just turned 15.
Oh, because it's an adult film.
It's not an adult film, but I just felt that he would understand and the nuances of it more if he is a little more mature. Because in one of the scenes, he's also part of the film because in the school bus scenes, he's also there. My husband was the most supportive person for this film because after I read the script, I made him read the script and he said, the first thing he said that if it's one film you want to do, this is it. Go for it. Nahi milega ye. You will never get another chance. This is the chance life has given you. This is the kind of film I feel you should do. So it's a great support. He's always been like that. Touch wood.
You were a dentist. आमिश रिलीज हो गया. हॉल में पेशेंट ने देख लिया. अभी पेशेंट का रिएक्शन क्या होता था जब वहाँ पे वो बैठते थे?
Yeah, I remember I was in my clinic, my chamber, and then we have these cubicles where teachers are there because the clinic is there, and then there are cubicles where each of us have our own space. Amish देखने के बाद my students just walk in, hello ma'am, how are you, and we need signature, ये वो. Amish release होने के बाद when my students saw Amish, they were a little reluctant to come inside my clinic to बाहर से नहीं तो आ जाते हैं, because I used to love my students, and then they would peep in, ma'am, can we come in? And I'm like, आज क्या हो गया तुम लोगों को? Ma'am, we saw Amish. We are still smitten by it. We are still in that zone. We don't know what to say. We have seen you in such a different kind of an avatar. We really don't know how to react. I said, चलो छोड़ो. I'm still your teacher.
ऐसे किसी
Don't
ने
worry.
दांत दिया है कि आप दांत के साथ और कुछ निकाल रही हो कि मैं चेक कर रहा है?
No, it's nothing like that. But then, I've had because my board was written there, Dr. Limadas, and then they would, sometimes see the board and they would ask my colleagues that is the same Limadas, because some people didn't know that Limadas, because the name is also not a very common name. Is it the same Limadas? And then they would, ask for permission to come and, click a selfie with me.
सेल्फी
That
भी
was
ऐसे
yes, the character, you know, brought out a different kind of a feeling in the viewers because they didn't know whether to like me or to be scared of me. I mean, or both. I mean, how does both work, right?
both work also.
Both works.
both
So
works.
that was a different. It's a kind of a funny feeling, though. I mean, it was a funny. It was, I mean, interesting observing them.
ये जो टाइम आप बचपन से आज तक देखो, खत का जमाना था,
Hmm.
लेटर्स का,
Hmm.
वहां से लैंड फोन्स, वहां से स्मॉल फोन्स, वहां से एंड्रॉइड फोन्स, ये फोन्स, मेल, इंस्टाग्राम, ये पूरा इवोल्यूशन यू हैव सीन इट. क्या डिफरेंस लगता है उस टाइम में इस टाइम में?
That is there in every. I mean, you don't know what is going to come up next with my son's generation. You know, वो arc जो है, वो सब generation, every generation will have that. My mother will have a different version of that. Hers will be even wider.
But probably this generation or the 90s generation have seen the most radical evolution
Because
of
of the
changes.
internet, of course.
and
हाँ.
in technology of
हाँ.
course.
One thing I always tell my son is that कोई भी चीज़ में whatever value you give to it, ना, it has that value only. First we used to write letters. तो letter का जो value था ना, we used to wait for letters from our pen friends to come. You know, inland letter में, you know, the blue color inland letter used to write letters. Postcards had a place. I still have some of the postcards. So आजकल के ज़माने क्या था, everything is digital. Photo click किया, you don't click one photo, you click 10.
हाँ.
But then ultimately delete हो गया तो none is there. So you have to value things basically. So I always believe that development is necessary, but then preserve what is there and then move forward with whatever is possible. जैसे कि flyover बनाना है, but you should not cut down trees for that.
एक सेगमेंट है लास्ट, लोग इसको रैपिड फायर बोलते हैं, हम लोग फटाफट सवाल और फटाफट जवाब बोलते हैं.
Oh God!
हाँ.
Now I'm nervous.
हाँ, no, you
Up
don't
there I
have to.
wasn't.
Any Assamese biopic of a woman you want to play?
Ida Khandikoi, she was the first Assamese actor and a very tragic life at the end, but definitely I would want to play.
हमको एक स्क्रिप्ट का ये मिल गया, टीम निकालो, राइट्स किसके पास है?
For Amis, I was awarded the Ida Khandikoi Award for Best Actress. I mean,
Wow.
it is in her
आपको
name.
सिंगापुर में भी तो अवार्ड मिला था.
Yes, I
कैसा
did.
लगा था
You've
सिंगापुर
done all
में
your
जाके?
homework. I had no clue. I'm telling you, I had no clue. एक तो it's my first film, and then somebody gives me an award for that. वो तो that was never in the books, you know. And then suddenly my director calls me up that, you know what, you won the award for best actress and I won the award for best director. I said, what? You winning director is different. I won for best actress. हाँ, you won. Then बाद में मुझे पता चला, नहीं तो मैं जाती वहाँ award लेने.
Describe yourself in one word.
I love peace. मुझे शांति से रहने दो. There's nothing more valuable to me.
ये आंसर नहीं था, थ्रेटनिंग था. ये थ्रेटनिंग था. मुझे शांति से रहने दो, मैं तुम्हें कच्चा खा जाऊंगी.
Yeah, I know. Sometimes I feel that way.
A superpower you wish you had.
To read people's minds. कभी मुझे बहुत मुश्किल होता है समझ, what is he saying? Is he saying what he means and is he meaning what he says? तो क्या होता है, वो कॉम्प्लिकेसी जो है ना, वो मुझे बहुत
For that you need Charles Xavier.
So yeah, I just sometimes I want to read people's minds.
ये बहुत स्टूपिड सा सवाल है पर मुझे पसंद है. Any celebrity crush?
Amir Khan was there when I was growing up.
हाँ, सही है. Perfect choice है, सही choice है.
Amir Khan,
सही
पापा
choice.
कहते हैं that was I had a crush on him.
But मुझे पता है उस टाइम का आमिर खान मुझे पसंद नहीं था. I was a Shahrukh Khan, die-hard Shahrukh Khan group at that time. First day, first show, 40 people, वो dance screen में, I was that. Suddenly, then after Lagan, I really liked it.
Yeah,
But after
yes.
Lagan, I just see the choice of films he is doing.
Amazing.
Then
amazing.
Fana, Gajni, Rang De Basanti changed and everything, and I shifted from here to there. The one thing you carry on the shoot every single day.
I carry my confidence on the shoulder. Come what may. This is my day. It is meant to be. That's why it has materialized. And then nothing can come.
4 things you want to change in yourself.
एक तो self-doubt. This is amazing. I mean,
क्षमता चेहरे
yes.
बोलता है निजे का अपमान.
Procrastination, overthinking,
Congratulations.
We are the same. Overthinking and I think 3 would do.
What kind of a meat you want to include in Indian menu?
Hey Bhagwan.
जो regular functioning menu में नहीं है.
Any meat that is not endangered.
Any.
Any meat that is not endangered. For me, meat is meat. And of course, cannibal नहीं बनना है मुझे, वो अलग बात है. But and human species is not endangered, वो ज़्यादा ही है. But then for me, meat is meat. Either you eat or you don't eat. I eat this, but I don't eat that. What is this preference? You know?
This is conditioning.
हाँ, वो conditioning में है. So that is what I don't like. If you feel that an animal should not be hurt, there are other options. You don't eat any meat. I will have pigeon, but I will not have chicken. If I'll have chicken, but I will not have duck. I will have duck, but I will not have mutton. वो मुझे फिर थोड़ा either you have or you don't have, or you have preferences. Jesse, you don't like the taste of this particular meat. You find it too hard. You find it too rubbery. So those are different preferences. But I don't want to condition. I mean, वो conditioning, that is not. I feel that that's not correct.
अगर प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना दिया जाए तो 2 चेंज आसाम के लिए क्या क्या करना है?
The education system. I feel that the education system should be. अभी तो इतना population हो गया है. So the education system should be skill based. That suppose एक तो higher education should be made free if possible, which is again very very difficult. But there are countries in the world where higher education is free, and people who want to pursue, learning, studying beyond a certain point, they should have the opportunity. And I feel for people who are not into academics, who would like to do something else, unki livelihood, whether that they are able to do that, the education system should, work towards that. Suppose today somebody doesn't want to study after class 12 immediately. The education system till class 12 should be such that he is able to do something on his own and earn his living. वो अगर हो जाए तो so many social problems and so many other problems will be solved. And for people who are into academics, who love studying, who want to pursue higher studies, उनके लिए for higher at least वो कम हो जाना चाहिए, because it's so expensive in India, right? Higher education.
ओडिसी छोड़ के हॉट ट्रियो डांस में क्यों?
Odissi, I always wanted to be a dancer, and Odissi dance classes were just across the street. So my mom thought that ये 2 दिन का शौक है, and then she is going to do it and forget about it. वो यही पे डाल दो, because it was just across. And then I wouldn't stop. as मुझे और करना है. I went on and on and on till a certain point in 2000, the year 2000. But उसमें क्या था? I always wanted to explore more, and I wanted to change things. But in classical dance, there's a grammar, right? So usme bhi, within the grammar also, you could change things. But my guru, Sangeeta Hazarika, she was such a dedicated student of Guru Gangadhar Pradhan. She said, no, I have learned this from my guru. I don't want this to be changed. But for me, it was like a straitjacket. I wanted to explore more. I wanted to feel more. I said, और है, there is more. When in 2000, the year 2000, I was still learning a little bit of Hattriya here and there from 1997. 2000 mein Hattriya got recognized as a major classical dance form, major dance form of the country, basically a classical status. Then my music teacher, he said, why don't you learn Hattriya? Because you have learned Odissi, you already have the base. So you learn it because it's your own art form. So Hattriya ka jab maine music suna, I had goosebumps because of the khol, the mridang, we call it the khol. And I said, I relate to this instrument. I feel that this is so much my own. I said, isme kuch hai. I always have this sixth sense telling me that I have something in this. So then I thought that I should learn this art form. And my guru, Padma Shri Jatin Goswami, again, that was a big, big turning point in my life. He was the first one who told me that, Lima, there is an artist in you. Usse pehle I was like, शौक है इसलिए I was dancing. My guru is still alive. He is 92 years old. He still takes on the stage. So what an inspiration.
तो your sixth sense क्या बोल रहा है? कैसा हुआ इंटरव्यू? कैसा लगा?
Oh, it was good. I must say that the team has been very efficient. They came, the time they had said that we'll be here in a certain time, we need this much of time to set up. This planning is also very, very important, I feel. And then also so much of preparation, and then you have come all the way. I mean, just for this, wow, this is just amazing. It has been very enlightening, very inspiring, and I'm sure you are going to make a very, very, you're going to make really good films, and you're going to tell wonderful stories. And I really, really wish you all the best.
Done.
Wonderful. To the team.
Yeah.